do a little video on Allie Bean. Hi, Allie Bean. You got little beanie babies? Yes, you do. Are you a happy girl? Such a happy girl. Yay. That translates into happy babies. Yes, it does. Well, yeah, look at the happy babies. Yeah. Black and white little boy. Red girl. Watch out. Say little girl. Black and white boy. And messy little buns on that little black and white girl. Watch out. Get in here. Allie Bean. Sit down. Sit down. She's a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. She's gonna be a pretty girl. She's got some black under there. Oh, pretty girl. Little boy. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? See, our eyes aren't open yet. Soon. We have little slits there. Yep. It's got 4 white feet. Little boy. Another little boy. It's pretty. Little girl. And another little girl back there. You did good, Bean? Yes, you did. Good puppies. Fat little content babies.